In this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram not sending the code. First of all, open Telegram and we have 5 methods to fix this problem. And from here, for example, if I insert my phone number and tap on continue and click on continue, and the code didn't arrive to me. So what is the solution for this? The first solution, you need to make sure to log out of your old mobile. If you have old mobile, log out of it and try to log in from here and see if you received the code. And the second method, click on didn't get the code and from here tap on send on this icon and wait for the code to arrive again. And if you didn't receive it, what you need to do is to click out of the app and click on App Store or Google Play if you have iPhone or Android, and search for Telegram. And you need to update Telegram, and after you update it, open Telegram and log in again. And the third method, I recommend you to, if all these steps doesn't work with you, what you need to do is to delete Telegram, and after you delete Telegram, reinstall it again and see if this work for you again. And we have the fourth method. What you need to do is you need to download Telegram X, this Telegram X app, and try to log in from it. And this app is from Telegram and you can use it to log in inside your account from another app which is from Telegram. And after that, we have the last method, which is the best method, to be honest with you. What you need to do is you need to click on Google browser or any browser and search for Telegram support. Click on Telegram support on the first link, and from here describe your problem to them and your email. Insert your email and your phone number, and after that tap on submit, and after that they will respond to you and will tell you the right solution for your problem. And that's it. This is the best solution, to be honest with you. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.